Hi and welcome to another episode of Sip of Knowledge with your host Andrew. This time I'm going to show you how to install a Windows Vista operating system. If you watched the previous video on how to install Windows XP, this process will be familiar to you. So when you first put the disk in, Windows will automatically load. Very much like the previous video, I am only going to show you the interactive part of the installation. So the first bit is asking which region you're in. Because I'm in the UK, I set that to UK, and actually the language settings changed to UK. Now you put in the product key. But the nice thing about Vista is if you don't put in a product key and you say no to this question, if your Vista disk has more than one version of Vista on it, you can actually select which version to install. You generally find that every version of Vista, although it says Home Premium or Home Basic, will have the other versions on it. There's a file that you delete within the disk and it unlocks all versions for you. Again, the rest of this is similar to the Windows XP version where you select which partition to install. There is no need to select which file system because Vista will only support Vista will only support NTFS. So when you click next, Vista will install, it may reset, and then the next interactive screen will be coming up. So here you enter your username and your password, but I don't really bother with password, so I'm going to keep it blank, but the username is HomeUser. You can select the PC name and change it as a wallpaper. You can now activate automatic update settings, select your time zone, and select your internet type. I generally stick public location. Although Vista is a lot bigger than Windows XP in size, as in XP was distributed on a CD where Vista is distributed on a DVD, it's actually a lot quicker to install due to the way that Vista's files are set out. So, and you will find that because there are less interactive screens, you'll find that Vista will install a lot quicker. So here you go, this is the last screen that you get, and this is what you will see when you first install Vista or when you create a new account when you first log into the account. I've only assigned this virtual machine with 1 gig of RAM, but it could have been a physical PC I could have used, and it's a bit sluggish, really. So I'll close this screen, I don't really need it, but the Windows sidebar has to go. The Windows sidebar is very annoying because it actually gives you things on the side which you're not going to see because you're running full screen programs. You close the Windows sidebar and you will find that your performance on your Vista PC will increase. So this has been, as I said earlier, this has been a video for Sip of Knowledge. I hope you've learned something today, and if you have any queries, put them in the comment box and I will endeavour to answer them. Thank you very much for your time.